Forget your average backyard birds, folks. Today we're taking a nosedive into the world of the ultimate avian apex predators, birds of prey. Also known as raptors, these feathered assassins aren't just your usual pretty songbirds. We're talking razor-sharp talons, beaks that could crack open a coconut, and vision that would make Superman jealous. Raptors possess impressive aerial capabilities, including soaring, gliding, and diving. To gain a deeper insight into these fascinating creatures, we'll explore the top 20 birds of prey, starting with the iconic bald eagle. The bald eagle is one of North America's most recognizable birds of prey, revered as the national symbol of the United States. With its striking white head and tail, powerful hooked beak, and formidable talons, the bald eagle is a prime example of a raptor bird, adapted for hunting and feeding on other animals. Here's a fun fact. Benjamin Franklin was not a fan of bald eagles and preferred the wild turkey as the national bird of the United States. Bald eagles are primarily fish eaters, and they're often seen perched near bodies of water, waiting to swoop down and catch fish with their strong talons. However, they are also opportunistic hunters and scavengers, and their diet can include birds, mammals, and carrion. One well-known fact is that bald eagles have impressive eyesight. They can see prey from up to 2 miles away. And here's the interesting part. They have a membrane or translucent third eyelid, which helps protect their eyes while hunting. Despite their size and power, bald eagles are skilled aerial acrobats. They can perform breathtaking aerial displays during courtship, locking talons and cartwheeling towards the ground before releasing at the last moment, showcasing their mastery of the sky. In addition to their physical adaptations, bald eagles are known for their longevity. Some individuals have been recorded living up to 38 years in the wild, making them one of the longest-lived raptor species. Up next, we have golden eagles. Golden eagles are North America's largest bird of prey and the national bird of Mexico. They are dark brown with lighter golden brown plumage on their heads and necks. These birds of prey often have a wide geographical range, spanning North America, Europe, Asia, and North Africa. Their habitats include mountainous regions, open landscapes, and even deserts. They are extremely swift and can dive upon their prey at speeds of more than 150 miles per hour. Hunting golden eagles use their speed and sharp talons to snatch up rabbits, marmots, and ground squirrels. They also eat carrion, reptiles, birds, fish, and smaller fare, such as large insects. These eagles have even been known to attack full-grown deer. With their striking plumage and impressive wingspan, these raptors are easily recognizable. They play a vital role in maintaining the balance of their ecosystems as top-tier predators. Now we have the Peregrine Falcon. The Peregrine Falcon stands out as one of the most extraordinary raptor birds in the avian world. With its sleek slate blue plumage and distinctive black markings, the Peregrine Falcon is a striking sight. This bird is celebrated for its speed and agility, holding the title of the world's fastest animal in level flight. Peregrine falcons are a widespread species, inhabiting diverse habitats including cliffs and open landscapes across 6 continents. Their hunting technique, known as stooping, involves soaring high above and then descending in a rapid high-speed dive to strike their prey with their sharp talons. Another fun fact. Peregrine falcons have adapted exceptionally well to urban environments and have even been known to nest in skyscrapers. These birds have a diet primarily comprised of other birds. Their preferred prey includes pigeons and doves, which are commonly found in urban areas, as well as songbirds, shorebirds, waterfowl, and game birds, depending on their habitat and prey availability. This amazing raptor bird is also known to store their excess prey to eat later, helping them survive during lean times. Now, the red-tailed hawk. The red-tailed hawk is one of North America's most widespread and recognizable raptors. Named for its distinctive reddish-brown tail feathers, this hawk boasts a striking appearance. With a wingspan typically ranging from 3 to 4.5 feet, red-tailed hawks are known as deadly predators. Their diet is diverse and includes small mammals like rodents, squirrels, rabbits, and even the occasional snake or bird. Their hunting strategy often involves perching on high vantage points, waiting patiently, and then swooping down to capture their prey with their sharp talons. Red-tailed hawks are highly adaptable, found in a wide range of habitats, from deserts and grasslands to forests and urban areas. They are known for their distinctive piercing scream that is often associated with eagles in movies and media. These hawks are monogamous and form long-term pair bonds. They build large nests in trees or cliffs, or even on man-made structures like telephone poles. Their nests can be reused for many years and grow in size over time. Now, ospreys. Ospreys are magnificent raptor birds, known for their distinctive appearance and remarkable hunting skills. Often referred to as fishhawks or seahawks, ospreys are easily recognized by their striking white heads, dark eyes, and brown-black wings. Their adaptation to a fish-eating diet is a defining feature, and they are unparalleled in their ability to catch fish from water bodies like rivers, lakes, and coastal regions. Ospreys have gone through several remarkable adaptations for fishing. They possess reversible outer toes, which allow them to grasp fish with a secure two-back talon grip. Their specialized nostrils can close to prevent water from entering while they dive, and their keen eyesight enables them to spot fish swimming beneath the surface from considerable heights. These raptors are found on every continent except Antarctica, often nesting near bodies of water. Their large stick nests, often built on platforms or artificial structures, can grow quite substantial over time. Now on to the snowy owl. The snowy owl is a captivating and iconic bird of the Arctic and subarctic regions. Known for its stunning all-white plumage that camouflages it against the snowy landscapes of its habitat, the snowy owl is a master of adaptation to extreme cold. These large and powerful owls boast a wingspan of up to 5 feet, making them one of the largest owl species globally. While they are primarily associated with the Arctic, they occasionally migrate to more southern regions during eruptive years in search of food. Snowy owls are opportunistic predators, primarily preying on lemmings and other small mammals. Their excellent eyesight and silent flight make them excellent hunters. One of the most unique features of snowy owls is their large, piercing yellow eyes that provide excellent vision during the perpetual daylight of the Arctic summer. They are known for their quiet, watchful demeanor, and their presence in the harsh northern tundra adds a touch of mystique to these remote landscapes. Now for another owl, the barn owl. The barn owl, known for its heart-shaped facial disc and eerie screech, is a silent hunter that roams open fields and grasslands worldwide. With exceptional hearing and acute vision, these nocturnal birds of prey hunt small rodents like mice and voles with deadly accuracy. Here's a fun fact. Barn owls have asymmetrical ears, with one positioned higher than the other, allowing them to pinpoint the exact location of sounds made by their prey, even in complete darkness. Their ghostly appearance and silent flight allow them to glide through the night, making them effective hunters. Nesting in barns, tree hollows, or abandoned buildings, barn owls play a vital role in controlling rodent populations, making them valuable allies to farmers and landowners. Despite their elusive nature, barn owls are sometimes spotted flying low over fields or perched on fence posts. Now the Harpy Eagle. The Harpy Eagle is one of the largest and most powerful birds of prey in the world, with a wingspan of up to 7 feet. It is found in the rainforests of Central and South America, where it hunts a variety of prey including monkeys, sloths, and large birds. The Harpy Eagle has strong talons that can exert a pressure of up to 500 pounds per square inch, allowing it to capture and kill prey much larger than itself. It builds large nests high in the canopy of trees, where it raises its young. The Harpy Eagle is considered a top predator in its ecosystem. Despite its impressive size and strength, the Harpy Eagle is listed as near threatened by the International Union for Conservation of Nature. Due to habitat loss and fragmentation, as well as hunting and persecution by humans, efforts are underway to protect and conserve this magnificent bird and its habitat. Now on to the northern goshawk. The northern goshawk is a powerful and agile bird of prey found in forests across North America, Europe, and Asia. It is known for its sharp talons, which it uses to catch a variety of prey, including birds, mammals, and sometimes even reptiles. The goshawk is well adapted to hunting in dense forests, using its keen eyesight and maneuverability to surprise its prey. It builds its nests high in the trees, and is a solitary bird, typically only coming together with a mate during the breeding season. It is known for its aggressive behavior, especially when defending its territory or young. Despite being widespread, the northern goshawk faces threats from habitat loss and fragmentation, as well as from human activities such as logging and development. Next, the Cooper's hawk. The Cooper's hawk is a medium-sized bird of prey found in North America. It has short, rounded wings and a long tail, which allows it to maneuver quickly through the dense vegetation while hunting. Cooper's hawks primarily feed on small to medium-sized birds, catching them with surprise attacks from concealed perches. They are skilled hunters using their sharp talons to grasp and kill their prey quickly. Cooper's hawks build nests in trees, where they lay eggs and raise their young. They are known for their secretive behavior and can be difficult to spot in the wild. These hawks are widespread across their range and are not considered threatened or endangered. While they may sometimes come into conflict with humans, such as when they're preying on backyard bird feeders, they are generally valued for their role in controlling bird populations. Now, the swallow-tailed kite. The swallow-tailed kite is a bird of prey found in the Americas. It has distinctive long pointed wings and a deeply forked tail. Swallow-tailed kites primarily feed on flying insects, catching them in mid-air with their sharp talons. They are known for their graceful flight, soaring effortlessly in search of prey. Swallow-tailed kites build nests in tall trees and lay eggs. They are migratory birds, spending the breeding season in North America and migrating to South America for the winter. Swallow-tailed kites are not considered threatened or endangered, but they may face threats from habitat loss and human activity. Unlike most raptors, the swallow-tail kite has a surprisingly sweet tooth. During their wintering grounds in South America, they supplement their diet with fruits like berries and figs. This makes them one of the few meat-eating birds known to regularly consume fruit. And now we have Harris's hawk. Harris's hawk, also known as the bay-winged hawk or dusty hawk, is a medium-sized bird of prey found in the southwestern United States, Central America, and parts of South America. They are distinctive for their reddish-brown plumage, with contrasting white markings on their wings and tails. These hawks have a wingspan of around 3.5 feet and weigh between 1 and 2 pounds. Harris's hawks primarily hunt small mammals, birds, reptiles, and insects, using their sharp talons and hooked beaks to capture and kill their prey. Unlike many other raptors, Harris's hawks are known for their cooperative hunting behavior, often hunting in family groups or packs. They communicate with each other using a variety of vocalizations and are highly social birds, forming strong bonds with their family members. Harris's hawks build their nests in trees, shrubs, or cacti, and use sticks, twigs, and other plant materials. They typically lay 2 to 4 eggs per clutch, which are incubated by the female for around 4 weeks before hatching. And now, black kites. The black kite soars across vast territories in Europe, Asia, Africa, and Australia. With an estimated population of 6.7 million, these medium-sized birds boast a wingspan of 4.5 and 5 feet and weigh between 1 to 3.5 pounds. They can be easily identified by their brown plumage, darker patches behind the eyes, and distinct forked tail. Black kites are masters of efficient flight. They utilize thermals for effortless soaring and gliding, constantly scanning for food. As opportunistic feeders, they primarily scavenge, but also hunt small animals and insects. Fish, reptiles, amphibians, carrion, and even the occasional egg make up their diverse diet. Interestingly, they sometimes work together to steal food from other birds, showcasing a surprising level of cooperation. Black kites form strong pair bonds, often lasting a lifetime. Breeding varies geographically, occurring in winter months in India and summer in Europe. These impressive birds undertake long-distance migrations, primarily between Europe and Africa. Sadly, habitat loss, power line collisions, and persecution in some regions pose threats to their populations. One fascinating fact, black kites are drawn to smoke and fires, attracted by the potential for fleeing prey. Next up, secretary birds. The secretary bird is a large bird of prey native to sub-Saharan Africa. It's characterized by its long legs, large wingspan, and distinctive chest of feathers on its head. These birds primarily inhabit open grasslands and savannas, where they hunt for prey on the ground. Their diet consists mainly of small mammals, birds, reptiles, and insects, which they capture by stamping on them with their powerful feet. Secretary birds are known for their unique hunting behavior, which involves flushing out prey from tall grass or shrubs and then striking them with swift kicks from their legs. They are also skilled predators and have been observed hunting cooperatively in pairs or small groups. Secretary birds are also capable of flying, although they prefer to travel on foot and are most often seen walking or running across the landscape. And now we have the Andean Condor. The Andean Condor is a large bird found in the Andes Mountains of South America. It is one of the largest flying birds in the world, with a wingspan that can reach up to 10.8 feet. These birds are predominantly black in color, with white patches on their wings and a distinctive white collar around their necks. Andean condors primarily feed on carrion, using their keen eyesight to spot carcasses from high altitudes. They are scavengers and play an important role in cleaning up the environment by consuming dead animals. Andean condors are known for their impressive soaring abilities, often riding thermals and updrafts to glide effortlessly through the air. They are highly adapted to their mountainous habitats and can be found at elevations up to 16,000 feet. Andean condors are social birds and are often seen roosting and feeding in groups. Despite their large size, they are relatively lightweight, with hollow bones that help them stay aloft for long periods. Now, the American Kestrel. The American Kestrel is the smallest falcon found in North America. It typically measures about 9 to 12 inches in length and has a wingspan of around 20 to 24 inches. American kestrels are sexually dimorphic, meaning males and females have different plumage. Males typically have blue-gray wings and a rusty-colored back with black spots, while females have brown wings and a back with black barring. They primarily feed on small mammals, birds, insects, and occasionally reptiles. American kestrels are often found in a variety of habitats, including grasslands, open woodlands, and urban areas. They are most known for their hovering hunting technique, where they remain stationary in the air while scanning for prey. These birds are capable of catching prey mid-flight with their sharp talons. American kestrels are migratory birds, with populations in northern regions migrating southward during the winter months. They are cavity nesters, often using old woodpecker holes or artificial nest boxes for breeding. Now, the African fish eagle. The African fish eagle is a large bird of prey found throughout sub-Saharan Africa. It typically measures around 25 to 30 inches in length and has a wingspan of approximately 6 to 8 feet. African fish eagles are known for their distinctive white head and breast, contrasted with a brown body and wings. They have powerful talons and a hooked beak, which they use to catch and feed on fish, their primary prey. These birds are often found near bodies of water such as lakes, rivers, and coastlines, where they hunt for fish by swooping down and snatching them with their talons. African fish eagles are highly territorial and often establish nesting territories near bodies of water. They build large thick nests in trees near the water. African fish eagles are vocal birds, known for their loud, distinctive call that sounds like a series of high-pitched whistles. They are important symbols in African culture and are often associated with power, freedom, and majesty. Now, the northern harrier. The northern harrier is a medium-sized hawk found in North America. It typically measures around 18 to 20 inches in length and has a wingspan of approximately 40 to 48 inches. Northern harriers are characterized by their slim body, long wings, and distinctive facial disc. They have a mottled brown plumage with a white rump patch, and adult males are grayish-blue with black wingtips. Northern harriers are known for their unique hunting behavior, which involves flying low over the ground and occasionally hovering before pouncing on their prey. They are also skilled at catching prey on the wing, using their agility and speed to capture birds in flight. During the breeding season, northern harriers build their nests in the ground or in low shrubs, where they lay their eggs. And now we have the short-eared owl. Forget the spooky image of owls hiding in dark forests. The short-eared owl thrives in wide-open spaces like grasslands, prairies, and marshes. This medium-sized hunter, weighing about 1 to 2 pounds, with a wingspan of 2.5 to 3 feet, patrols its domain with silent, floppy wing beats, looking more like a giant moth than a fearsome predator. Sharp yellow eyes and black facial discs help them pinpoint prey even in low light. But their secret weapon? Incredible hearing. Hidden beneath their short, barely visible ear tufts are sensitive flaps that act like dish antennas, pinpointing the scurrying of mice, voles, and other mammals that are their primary dinner. Short-eared owls don't build their own nests, preferring to burrow abandoned structures from other birds, or scrape out shallow depressions in the ground. Typically, the female lays 4 to 7 eggs, which hatch after about a month. These little owlets become independent flyers by 5 to 6 weeks, but remain dependent on their parents for food for another month or so. By fall, they embark on impressive journeys, sometimes traveling hundreds of miles in search of wintering grounds. And now we have the Lappet-faced Vulture. With its vibrant red facial skin and powerful hooked beak, the Lappet-faced Vulture is an unmistakable avian scavenger found in sub-Saharan Africa. Standing roughly 2.5 feet tall, with a wingspan of up to 9 feet, this vulture is a formidable sight. They are also surprisingly heavy, tipping the scales at 14 to 22 pounds. Unlike many vultures, Lappet-faced vultures have excellent eyesight, allowing them to spot potential meals from great distances. Their keen sense of smell also plays a crucial role, as they can detect carrion from miles away. Once they arrive at a carcass, their powerful beaks and sharp talons make them adept at tearing through flesh and bones to access the nutritious inner portions. While they primarily scavenge, Lappet-faced vultures are also opportunistic hunters. They have been known to target small mammals, reptiles, and even newborn antelopes. They have even been observed working together to chase away larger predators like lions and hyenas from a carcass. These vultures are social birds, often living in colonies of up to 40 individuals. They typically lay 1 to 2 eggs per year, which are incubated by both parents for roughly 50 days. The chicks fledge after about 3 months, but remain dependent on their parents for several more months. Conclusion. So that concludes our exploration of the incredible world of birds of prey, from the soaring majesty of the bald eagle to the silent stealth of the snowy owl. These feathered hunters have captured our imaginations for centuries. Their keen senses, powerful adaptations, and diverse hunting strategies make them truly remarkable creatures. But beyond their awe-inspiring nature, birds of prey play a vital role in our ecosystems. They act as nature's cleanup crew, preventing the spread of diseases by scavenging carrion. They also help to control populations of small mammals and insects, maintaining a healthy balance in the environment. If you found this video interesting, consider liking it and subscribing to our channel. For more animal information, check out assortedanimals.com. Want to learn more about animals? Check out Animal Best Friends and Symbiotic Relationships. Until next time.